Hello everybody, it's Tech Ariga here, and I'll discuss about PC gaming. PC gaming is a great gaming platform, but it's not without its faults. Here is the pros and cons. Pros. You can have a computer for everything. You can code, do your homework, read email, work, or whatever. There's so many things you can do with the computer that's even needed in your daily lives, even if you own a console. You can even take college classes on it if you really want. So yeah, that's honestly a huge plus for PC gaming. It's also cheaper. If you build a console killer, you can have an overall cheaper gaming platform in the long run. You have backwards compatibility, no monthly fees unless you pay for like a few MMO games or whatever, and there are many sales on Steam, and it'll result a cheaper platform. Upgradability. You can customize and upgrade your hardware to match your needs. It's not one model fits all, and that feels great. You don't have, if you want to like move around a lot, you can get a gaming laptop. Sure, it won't be cheap, but it's a nice option, and it's nice to know that you can have whatever you want in terms of what matches your needs. Or you want a gaming desktop that's very powerful for video editing, but yeah, go for a stronger CPU like an Intel Core i7, and there you go. Or do you want just a computer that's purely for gaming? You can get some cheap like dual or quad core AMD CPU and a very strong graphics card and just a few gigabytes of RAM. And you're all set, basically. Next, we have options. You have options to customize your peripherals and your software. You don't like Windows? Use Linux or put your own Mac OS on there if you really want it. And you want to switch up the looks on Windows? Use Rainmaker and make your desktop look unique. Now, if you want to switch out your keyboard, you can. There's tons of mechanical keyboards, there's tons of gaming keyboards, and there's tons of regular keyboards. There's also lots of mice out there, and there's always new ones coming out every day or month or year. Just many companies just know that it's a good market, and companies like Razer, Roccat, or Logitech, they're really big on the gaming mice market right now. So yeah, you have tons of options for almost anything. And don't forget, you have monitors. You can do dual monitors, you can do triple monitors, you can have a higher refresh rate monitor if you want to make your experience much better. Games list. There are many more games on PC than any other gaming platform. The fact that the games that are made on PC, it only makes sense that they will be compatible on PC. It's just so much easier to make a game on PC and transfer it to PC compared to make a game on PC and then convert it to Xbox or PS3 or whatever it is these days. And you also, to be honest, since the game list is so big, you'll never run out of games to play. And don't forget, if you really run out of games, don't forget sites like Miniclip or those really popular Flash game sites like y8.com. They have huge lists of games and you almost never be bored. And after you're done being bored playing games, you can always like watch movies on the computer, do homework, do programming, do whatever, man. Make videos or whatever. It's a platform that is truly unlimited. Now, mods. Most single-player games do have mod support, and even a few multiplayer games like Left 4 Dead 2. And it's nice because it expands the replayability of a game by so much. And it also gives you a cool little hobby to make mods for the community, and it actually makes you feel kind of special. And also, you can actually make some potential money with this if you have like a donate option, and many people do like your mods, let's say that, yeah. It's just a cool, very nice feature, and even a few Xbox games, or console games, let's say that, are gonna have mod support just because people know how important it is for the gaming industry. Cons. Now don't get mad, but because this platform is not perfect. Nothing is perfect in life. Now there is issues. If you're building your computer, you will run into issues. It's just a matter of like fact. The bright side is there is the internet that can help you so much, and it'll also teach you many things. So this is kind of annoyance, but at the same time, it will teach you how to search your issues or how to search up problems. This is sort of, and also programming. Like, if you have a problem, you search up how to do it and you'll fix it. That's, like, even programmers are kind of supposed to be, like, searching on the web how to do stuff or just looking up documentation. This is, yeah. And also, PC is not 100% plug and play. Yeah, I mean, it's not as easy as turning on your Xbox and launch a game. But to be honest, it's not that much more work of just turning on your computer, logging in, doing this and that. And there might be some kind of error that you might run into. You have to search and quickly fix it. But it's not a big issue. Honestly, only like plebs use this excuse because they don't have many excuses that PC is not that superior compared to consoles. Now, guys, If you have any questions, I recommend you comment down below the video or search around in the web. If you like the video, please leave down a like and comment below what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. And one quick thing about the cons also, you can't really buy a gaming computer from the store without being ripped off. And you kind of have to do your research anyways. But I think you're smart enough to do your research if you're watching this video. So guys, it's been all my time. Thanks for watching, and peace out. See ya.